What is OPAC and why do we use it? OPAC, which stands for Online Public Access Catalogue, is an online system used in libraries to search and access information about available resources like books, journals, ebooks, and more. In simple terms, OPAC is a digital catalog that helps users find library materials quickly and easily. Why do we use OPAC? First, it allows easy and fast searching by title, author, subject, or keywords. Second, it saves time because users don't need to check physical catalog card. Third, it provides complete details like availability, location, and call number of the item. And finally, OPAC can be accessed anytime and anywhere, making it very convenient for user. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe to Global LIS updates.